What's up, guys? Today just wanted to take a quick look at this little water pick. I've been using this for about 2 years now and it has been holding up great. I also just love the way it makes your mouth feel every day. And it's a really easy product to use. You have a huge water reservoir back here which holds enough for, I would say, at least a week for me. And I use this every day. Then you just have a simple on-off button and a mode changer to go between normal, soft, pulse, and custom. It basically works, turn it on, start spinning out, and then you can cycle through the modes. But really nice little product, and it has been holding up incredibly well. I love the way it makes my mouth feel every morning. Like I said, it's just a complete game changer to your dental hygiene routine, in my opinion. So take a look, check it out. Such a nice little product and easy to incorporate into your everyday. As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.